Welcome. Today, we uncover the story of USS Thresher, a nuclear submarine lost to the depths for decades.
Before recovery, every fracture and failure is digitally reconstructed.
Rerouting the cable reduces stress on the winch system.
But what about the hydrodynamic drag?
The lateral stress on the crane might be too significant.
Every movement must withstand crushing ocean pressure.
The lessons learned reshaped submarine safety forever.
Deep within the crushing darkness lies the enduring legacy of the Titanic.